I think he's got it working.
Got live.
We've been listening to this bike all day, them trying to start it. It's so funny. Look, can you hear it? All day we've been hearing that and they've not been able to start it. At least they're trying.
God wants to try it.
Yeah, I wonder if it cuts out again. No, it's been cutting out all day. Oh, it sounds like he's done it. It's not cutting out yet.
Where's the let's go on, Rev? Banner, stop it.
Oh, that rev's still going. I don't know if it cut.
That died.
Yeah, I was going to say, I think it just died. So yeah,